Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for latest opportunities and career tips. So, if you are someone who is working in analytics and want to move into that high-impact role at a global bank, then this opportunity from JPMorgan Chase could be a game changer for you. Or even if you are a fresher who want to, get into an analytics role at one of the top banking and financial firm, then this is again a great opportunity for you. Stay till the end, and I will be discussing everything from the roles, responsibilities, and how you can apply. So let's understand about the company, which is JP Morgan Chase, and the role. So this role is basically for Quant Analytics Associate in Bangalore and Mumbai location, and this role sits right at the intersection of business, data, and marketing strategy. So let's understand about the company. So JP Morgan Chase is one of the oldest and most respected financial institution in the world, as you guys might be knowing, and you might have heard somewhere before because it's one of the biggest giant in the finance and banking, and it has the history of around 200 years. So or you can just kind of guess like how big it is. So though the Chase, JP Morgan Chase and brands, they are serving millions of customers globally across banking, credit cards, payments, and investments. They do have other businesses as well. So you will get a great exposure globally, and you'll get a great exposure working with a great client as well. So this is all about the role and the company. And now let's understand more into the basically the overview about the role, which is Quant Analytics. The role is Quant Analytics with the customer and community banking division. Especially, you will be supporting the co-branded credit card products. And you will be also working with uh, directly with influencing the marketing performance. Plus, you'll also be taking the decisions, uh, working closely to make sure and influence the customer growth and business profitability, how business can make profit. So basically, you'll be a part of the team who is doing the main analysis, kind of business analyst kind of role it is. So this is all about the the overview of the role. We'll understand it in detail now. So let's understand first about the location. So this is a full-time opportunity first of all, and it's based out of Bangalore and Mumbai with a midday shift. Midday shift, you can guess something around 2 to 11 or 3 to 12 maybe. And now let's discuss the key responsibilities for this role. So in this role, you will be owning and supporting the marketing analytics for credit card products. Plus, you will be evaluating campaigns, effectiveness, performance, profit and loss analysis, a kind of planning also you will be doing. Because this is something P&L is something profit and loss, so it's taken care of by the planning team, and you will be learning the large data sets into account actionable insights. So you'll also be doing the data analysis. You will be driving the insights and taking the business decisions based on the insights with the help of data. So you're going to do a mix of stuff, not just the planning, not just the analysis, or not just the storytelling, and a lot of mix of stuff that you will be doing. So you're going to get a great exposure, as I already mentioned in the initial part of the video. So this is somewhat about the role. Also, you'll be building the customer segmentation models, collaborating with business teams, and drive data backed growth strategy. We'll also be working with the other teams, so to uh, get to know, I mean, to help into the growth strategy, making the strategies to grow with the help of the data, with the help of the insights that you are drawing with data, and yeah, with the help of data that I already mentioned. So now let's understand the skills required for this job. So they're looking for the candidates with around 2 years or 2 plus years of experience into analytics, especially, and with a strong expertise in SAS and SQL is mandatory, and also hands-on experience in Python and R are preferred. Even if you have some basic experience in Python, that's totally fine. Thus, a solid understanding of statistics, data modeling, and large data set is also essential for this job. So, if you have exposure to machine learning techniques on understanding the credit card profit and loss, then this is going to be an added advantage. Though this is not a basic skill, but this is something they will prefer you to have, and you will be given preferences over the other people. So let's understand why this role matters. So this role is not just a reporting role. You will be influencing the real business decisions inside one of the most advanced analytics team in the global marketing, global banking. So your role is going to affect the global market. Your job, your work is going to impact the entire company, and in making the useful decision. So you are going to be an impactful person for the team and for for the entire organization. So this is how your day-to-day responsibilities will affect the company's decision. So that's the reason it's very important. So if you're serious about the building a long-term career with especially into analytics, with this is top banking firm, and into the data science business strategy, then JP Morgan Chase role is worth applying for. Go check it out. I have mentioned everything in the description. I have shared the direct link for this job in description. Go check it out and apply as soon as possible. Like this video if you found it useful. Share this with your friends, colleagues who might be interested into this role, and subscribe for daily jobs because we are bringing daily job updates on this channel. And so do subscribe if you haven't subscribed till now. That's it for this job opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.